Happy Friday. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having a good start to the day. NASDAQ market is up 1.36% on the day, and that is following the news, as many of you guys have seen, that Iran officially has reopened the Strait of Hormuz for all commercial vehicles for the remaining period of the ceasefire. Iran's statement below, in line with the ceasefire in Lebanon, is that the passage for all commercial vehicles through the Strait of Hormuz is declared completely open for the remaining period of the ceasefire. You even have Trump going on social media calling the Strait of Hormuz the Strait of Iran. It does seem like more than ever before that definitely the idea behind the agreement between Iran and the U.S. is the best that it's ever been since the war has started. Now, don't get me wrong. Do I agree with this overall push? Doesn't really matter what it is that I think. Nonetheless, the question that everyone is asking is, okay, so let me get this straight. The NASDAQ market and overall markets have now pushed to new all-time highs. But now we are not back where we were. The Strait of Hormuz is open. I get that. That's great. But now we have higher inflation, one of the highest that we've seen in the last 12 months. We have a weaker labor market, and we have all the uncertainty that has now presented itself during the Iran war, right? Not taking into consideration the $40 billion that it has cost the American taxpayer when it comes down to the start of the war. NASDAQ market still looks very resilient. There's no reason to fight the trend. As many of you guys have seen, NASDAQ and the S&P 500 are like on a 13 or 14-day win streak. And this is the longest win streak that the market has had since 2009, something that we haven't seen in quite some time. You guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. Do you think that this is, again, markets are now just going to go back to trading how they were? We know that markets have been bullish, but are they irrationally bullish? And are we just looking out for just another rug pull? Again, let's not get it confused. Trump is notorious for these tweets. And if things do escalate, can we potentially see a quick reversal? We even saw that, again, the NASDAQ market, when it was pulling back a little bit, it never really actually sold off during the Iran war. And the big part behind that was Trump would send out a tweet every Monday, causing a V-shaped recovery. But now, just when things are now back to potentially what they were, not taking the $40 billion that we've paid for this, not taking the weaker labor market, not taking the higher inflation, now markets are just thriving. Again, it simply does not make sense. The thing that I do want to highlight very quickly is that although the NASDAQ market is pushing up higher, there are specific sectors that obviously have taken a hit, and that is oil. Oil has taken a substantial hit, and if we look at this on the 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, we're approaching a previous support range. So we will see. We'll see if we find a support, if things do begin to escalate, and then if oil begins to recover. This is something that we're going to be watching very closely, and I'll make sure that I do my part in keeping you guys up to date. Again, just like we've said before, even when previous markets were trading at all-time highs, there's nothing wrong with having positions at these elevated levels, especially even if you're just buying right now. Just please don't use leverage, and make sure that if markets do pull on back, that you are aware that you can tolerate it. That's the biggest thing, right? That you can tolerate the time that it might take for it to recover. Until then, again, I'll do my part in keeping you guys up to date. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and don't forget, if you ever want to watch this trade live, it's the second link down below to tune on in. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.